Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so happy to be back. This actually felt so nice to sit down and film. It's been a minute, so I hope you guys are excited to watch another makeup tutorial from me. Today I'm doing a summer makeup look with more of a fun twist. I feel like lately my looks have been very natural, although this is still kind of natural for summer, but I wanted to play with a pop of color on my lips, which was a little bit spontaneous, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Huge thanks to Lancome for partnering with me on this video. I'll be using the Lancome Dual foundation for this look, and as you can see, my base is flawless, so stay tuned so you can see how I like to use it and sort of the before and after. I love this foundation for summer because it's humidity proof. It gives you such a beautiful natural coverage, but it's still full coverage, buildable, all the good things we look for in a foundation. So stay tuned to see this along with all the other brands and products that I'll be using. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into it. All right, we're gonna start with the skin. My skin looks really patchy right now because I was in the sun a lot, although this is my sunscreen. It just for some reason doesn't absorb very well, so let's ignore that. I'm gonna start with my primer. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Blur Moisture Serum Primer. It sounds amazing, and it has like a really lightweight consistency, and I'm actually just gonna use my fingers to apply this. Usually I like to apply my primer kind of around my larger pores, especially if it says blurring, because that's where I need a little bit of help. Just around here. Wow, this is so pretty. It kind of gives it a glow, you see that? So I feel like this is one that you could wear everywhere. Maybe the high points of the cheeks and the chin. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at that glow it gives. By the way, if you guys are noticing anything different, I have these little eyelid tape on my eyelids because, I don't know, TikTok made me buy it and I was like, I want to try this because I have a heavy fold. You know, I talk about it all the time. So we'll see how it looks towards the end of the video, and if it looks crazy, then I'll take it off. All right, let's go into the hero product of today, which is the Lancome Teint Dual Foundation. I have used this before on my channel. It's such an amazing formula. It has SPF 15. It's a long wearing formula, perfect for the summer because it is humidity proof and very long lasting. So I like to use 2 pumps at most just because it is a full coverage foundation, although I personally prefer more of a medium coverage, so that's why I use like 1 to 2 pumps. And that's what I love about this foundation, is that it does give you a very natural but full coverage finish, which is something that I look for having textured skin. So as you can tell, the difference is quite big, but it still looks so natural and dewy. I love it. It is more of a matte finish, I will say, so that's why it's, I think, perfect for summer. But I guess depending on what kind of primer you used before, that can kind of alter it a little bit. Lancome just always does it well with their skin products. I mean, their makeup in general, because the formulas are always incredible. And I love the color, by the way. I always forget to mention it, but I'm gonna mention it now so I don't forget. 380 Bisque W, so it's more of a warmer tone, and it just is perfect for my skin color. I actually bought this shade myself, even though it's a sponsored video. I wanted to make sure I can like color match and get exactly what I need. So I am obsessed with this shade, and they have so many different shades. You will definitely find something that works for you. And once the foundation is on, I like to conceal just like my under eyes. This foundation actually works as a concealer for me too, so depending on how fast I want to get ready, sometimes I'll just use this all over. But today I do want to brighten my under eyes, so I'm going to go in with the Merit concealer. This is such a cool formula. I had 2 shades of this, but one of them popped out, so I just have 1 left. This one is in the shade, I don't know how to say it, ECRU. And I'm gonna apply this under my eyes, just like that. Just a little bit on the center, just to highlight. Just gonna blend it. I will have links to the foundation and all of the products in the description box. You can find the foundation at Ulta Beauty online or in stores, so you can go in and get help with your color match, or you can order it online. I'll have links and everything in the description. I was trying to figure out if this tape is making my eyes look a little bit sleepier. I'm not sure, but let's just roll with it and see if we need to take it off at the end. It is a little uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like something I could wear every day. The things TikTok makes me buy. All the Amazon gadgets. Anyone else guilty of that? You're just like scrolling through and next thing you know, you have like 5 things in your basket. Okay, love this base. Look at this. It looks so natural and so like, I don't want to say dewy, but kind of. It's just very glowy. I love it. Very natural. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my skin because I just love a tanned look. I'm gonna go in with the usual Persona Cosmetics in Dune. The way I like to apply this is like a contour, but then also like a bronzer. So kind of all over this area because this just gives me a nice little sun-kissed glow. And then again, I like to contour just lightly. And I'm so messy with this too, by the way. I look very funny when I apply it. And then blend, blend, blend. I feel like everything I'm using today, except for Merit and Dominique, is available at Ulta, which is so cool. I love when the bronzer kind of mixes in with the foundation a little bit. It just makes it look even more skin-like. Normally, I would also put this on my eyelids, but I'm kind of scared now. I don't know how to do that. Okay, I'm gonna just try it with like a little brush and see what happens. Oh no, that comes off. You can't wear makeup on it. Well, that's kind of not fun. How are you supposed to wear this then? For my blush, I'm gonna go in with Sunny's Face blush in Peached, and I'm just gonna apply it on the apples of my cheeks. I like more of a youthful look with my blush, so I don't love the technique that's like really trending now where you put the blush here. You can do that. I guess it kind of elongates the face. So applying it on the apples of your cheeks and a little bit on the nose gives you that kind of youthful, playful look, which I like more. Okay, brows. I need my brows. I'm gonna go in with the Persona Cosmetics in Swipe Up, and this is in the shade Warm Brown. The way I like to apply this, because I haven't been filling in my brows in ages, because I'm just lazy. So the way I like to do this is fill it in and brush it at the same time. So the way I fill it in is I just go ahead and brush it this way. So this, as you can see, it just kind of fills in all the sparse areas, just like that. And then I brush it up so it gives me more of a laminated look. I wonder if this like brushed up laminated look is gonna be in for a while or phase out quickly, because I'm obsessed with it now, but I wonder if like a few years from now I'm gonna look back and be like, wow, okay, I really went for it. And there you have it. Lifted, filled in, brushed, all of the above. If I need to fill in anything at all, like if I need definition, I will just pick up a little small brush, dip it into the gel, and just quickly fill it in. I don't do this all the time, but for the sake of the video and trying to make my brows look as perfect as possible, I did that. I want this to be a super simple summer look, so for my eyes, I'm gonna keep it super simple. I'm gonna use this Ilia multi-use pigment. I'm gonna use a synthetic brush, and I'm gonna run this all over my eyelids. And again, this tape is coming off, so by the end of the video, it'll probably be gone. Who knows? Okay, I'm taking off. Goodbye tape. Bye-bye. Look at that. It just did not work. TikTok failed me. I always like to bring the product up to my inner brow, but this color, because it's a little bit more intense, I feel like I need to blend it a little more. I've been really enjoying like wash of color just on the eyelids, nothing on the bottom. I don't know, I'm like really into it. Very simple. For my eye shape, I love tight lining, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now real fast with a soft brown, or this one's a plum actually, liner. But if you have smaller eyes, you can skip this step, because as you can see, this one looks bigger than this, just because I did line it. And lately, I've been really liking more of like softer colors for liners, because I don't know, in the summertime, I don't like bold looks. I just like more of a wash of color, very soft, and then just a little bit on the outer corners. Wing it out. Okay, curling my lashes. And then for my mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. I used to be obsessed with this, and then I don't know, I haven't used it in a while, so I also picked this up recently on my travels. Just applying this on the top, I feel like I avoid the bottom again. I don't want anything to be running down my face throughout the day, so this just looks really lifted, very natural. I was gonna do a nude lip originally. I was gonna do like a wash of nude, but I'm feeling a little spontaneous and I want to play with color. If it doesn't look good, I'll take it off. But I'm gonna go in with this Rare Beauty lip color in the shade Inspire. And I had lip balm underneath it, so it's kind of slipping a little bit. It's like if your skin looks good, everything just falls into place, you know? That's just how I feel. I'm gonna go back to my foundation and I'm gonna just grab a little bit with a flat brush and clean out my lip color. That is it for this tutorial. I love how it turned out. It's so natural, perfect for summer. The skin looks flawless, and I feel like everything starts with the skin. So if my skin looks flawless, I'm a little bit more inspired to play with my makeup. So I was gonna go with a nude lip, but I feel like this just looks so much better. So I really appreciate all of your support. I know I haven't been as consistent on YouTube, so thank you for being patient with me. I've been uploading a lot more on Reels and just like shorter form content on Instagram and TikTok, but I need to get back on YouTube because I know this is such a different environment, you know? It's a little bit longer, so we get to actually like hang out. So thank you guys so much again for watching, and thank you so much to Lancome for partnering with me on this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Sunny's Place. Poached or girl, try that again. Like if I want what I'm trying to say. Products. Oh gosh, now I'm British. Great, love it. Frequently